Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine and are enjoying our online sessions. Today in this session we are going to start with our grammar. But before we start with our grammar, let's quickly discuss question answers.
Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the nearest thing that the child sees after climbing the tree? Answer. The nearest thing the child sees after climbing the tree is the next door garden, which was adorned with flowers. Number 2. The girl says that the river is the sky's looking glass. Why? Answer. The girl says that the river is the sky's looking glass because it shows the sky's reflection. Number 3. Why does she call the river grown up when it reaches the sea? Answer. The little child calls the river grown up when it reaches the sea, as she tries to metaphorically represent, means to compare one thing with another. The gradual process means slow process of the river flowing from the mountain valley to the sea, to that of a child growing up from an infant to a young adult, means she compares the river flowing from the mountain valley to the sea with a child growing up from an infant to a young adult. She tries to compare both by highlighting the fact that the river starts flowing from the mountain and crosses various stages to finally end up in the sea, just as a little kid crosses various stages of life to finally become an adult. Number 4. What does the child imagine fairy lands to be like? What happens there? Answer. The child imagines the fairy land to be a totally different world, adorned with vast field of flowers and angels flying here and there. All the children over there dine at 5 and the playthings come alive. Everyone is happy and at peace. Number 5. The child does not see any foreign countries from the tree. Why does she call the places she sees as foreign lands? Answer. The term foreign means a place located outside your own boundary or country. The girl has never been to any foreign country, but she still refers to the places she sees from the tree as foreign lands because they are beyond the boundary or place she lives in. She has never been to those places before and is amazed to see the beauty of the unknown foreign lands. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have understood the answers well. So, now let's read ahead. Let's start with grammar. Metaphor. A comparison in which one thing is said to be another. Example, my mom is a teddy bear. It usually uses the words is, are, was or were. Let's see some examples. My life is a movie. Life is being compared to movie using the word is. Next, they are clowns in maths class. They are being compared to clowns using the word are. Let's see some more examples. She is a walking dictionary. Next, her long hair was a flowing golden river. Hairs are compared with golden river. Okay, everyone. I hope you all have understood metaphor well. So, we end our today's session over here. But before we end, I have a task for you all. Please complete the given task. First, let's understand what your task is. In the poem, many words have been used to describe places and things that the child sees. For example, foreign lands, pleasant places. Isn't it, children? I hope you all remember this. So now, your task is read the poem and list the words that describe places and things. I hope you all will enjoy doing this. Okay, everyone? Meet you all in the next session. Till then, bye everyone.